Business integrity is critical for sustainable economic development. Anti-corruption body, the Ghana Integrity Initiative, is collaborating with the Ghana Association of Women Entrepreneurs to achieve such goal. As part of activities, a multi-stakeholder business integrity forum has been held in Kumasi. The forum provided participants the opportunity to deliberate on challenges affecting their work and the way forward in addressing such obstacles. Michael Okai is project coordinator of Ghana Integrity Initiative.
The private sector has been recognized as the engine of growth. And so if you want an engine to function very well, it must be lubricated very well. It must be serviced. And then so you create an enabling environment for the private sector to work. And we know the challenges faced by the private sector in terms of transparency, accountability, engagement with the public sector. And so what can we do to now create that platform, to create that enabling environment for the private sector to thrive? There have been several attempts, different methods, but we have adopted a multi-stakeholder approach where you bring these stakeholders together to deliberate. Instantly you can get results. But this platform also creates that opportunity for us as GRI to pick up every issue and follow it through. But we targeted women because basically women are the marginalized groups. From the feedback that we had, you realize that there are a lot of challenges that they face. They mentioned talking about fee fixing for small business SMEs. Because it's not only in here, we had it in Takoradi, it's the same issue. So when you have that ambiguity, then people who work within that space also want to shortchange the SMEs.
Some of the women entrepreneurs shared their challenges and what they have learned from the engagement.
If it's in near the braille na brain, is it chia? Because a wound chia, any yan toast to moi. In your duke court. They say, I may who say, a moment will say chia taxes if it's any debu or many. Sebastian beer, oh yeah, Juma, not a win chia tax and no about bank chrono.
My best young man be brave. My best young say, I met me, keep you my Juma and whole records. I ever bought me dachi. Say, I internal revenue for basis me. Meeting me put to at the right place. Or bano be home or shop and now say place I wanna be crash or personality no de aka. Ubetia say one to say.
As part of the project, JII staged a radio discussion with officials from the Custom Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority and the Registrar Generals Department to discuss the role of the institution in multi-stakeholder business integrity. Ashanti Regional Manager of GRA, Michael Lechampon, explained why business owners are sometimes charged fixed amounts.
When it comes to the issue of whether you have done the business or you ought to pay a certain percentage as a tax or not, it has to do with record keeping. You can't by word of mouth say that I haven't done business, and so that I mean, if you're going to go by that, then perhaps we're not going to collect any revenue at the end of the year. We work with records and we work with evidence, and so when you have not done so, have you submitted accounts to support what you are saying? We come around to look at what is happening in the business for the order, and we see evidence of people working. And so when it is time for tax payment and we come around that we have not made, yes, we do admit that we base a lot of our taxes on estimates, whether it is a provisional assessment or self-assessment. I mean, there's room for review, whether it is based on a self-assessment system or a provisional assessment system.
Agrifen from the Custom Division of JRA entreated traders to help in the fight against corruption.
When you import items, pay the full duty, so that corruption has the demand and the supply side of it. The supply side being you willing to evade taxes, and then when you are caught, then you try to bribe your way out to get out of trouble. We are praying that we discourage that kind of activity so that the nation will get maximum revenue.
The project is funded with support from the government of Netherlands.